How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through a quick tutorial or setup for Cloudflare. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right off the bat, Cloudflare actually gives you guys free access for adding one website to their platform or hosting site. And it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is sign up for an account, basically follow the on-screen instructions and fill up the details like your email address, the one that you want to be tied to your Cloudflare account, your name, your business name, as well as the domain name or the website name of your business. So once you guys have all of that going for you, it's time to configure the settings for each domain or website registered under your Cloudflare account. And to do so is quite simple. Once you guys sign up and you've verified your Cloudflare account through your email, could be Gmail or Yahoo, whatever. And once you've logged in and find yourselves on the dashboard, you want to click on either websites or domain. So because I'm using the free plan, I actually have one website registered to my Cloudflare account. So it's this one right here. So to configure it and set it up, all we have to do is click on the website, and here you get to do stuff like adding an email routing system to it, or adding some DNS rules such as redirects. So if someone from a different country were visiting your website, they'd be redirected to a subdomain or whatever. You guys also get to add SSL certificates, security, caching, speed, networks, traffics, and roles, and so on and so forth. So here you get to fully configure and control the going-ons for that website. And the same actually applies for domains, only for domain registration, the setup process is a bit different. So if you guys are coming from a different hosting site like Hostinger, let's say, or Bluehost, then you would have to transfer your domain over to Cloudflare. Now, if you want to make one from scratch, you could do that too. And you could do so by clicking on Create a Default Contact. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions here and fill up the details accordingly. So your first name, last name, address line, so on and so forth, country, and click Create. And that's where you actually can get started with adding a custom domain from scratch. So there you guys have it. That's a quick tutorial and walkthrough for how to set up Cloudflare. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.